Hello everyone, this is a video short for understanding shifts in the production possibilities frontier. So, a technological advancement in any particular industry can now enable the company to produce more of that product than before. Let's look at it with an example. So, in this example, as you can see, the company was previously able to produce 100 computers or 100 cameras. But now, with the technological advancement, it can either produce 130 computers or 100 cameras. So the points B, C, and D were the most efficient points before the technological advancement. But now, as the technology advanced, these are the inefficient points because they are not utilizing all the resources that are available. So now the point H that was previously unattainable is now attainable and the most efficient point on the frontier. And still, the point G is not attainable with the current resources and technology. So here's how you can determine the different points on a production possibilities frontier. And these are the steps that I followed. Thank you for watching.